Experience seamless functionality with the pen's innovative design. The magnetic quick-release cap provides an effortless, one-handed operation that ensures you're always ready to write. No twists, no fuss, just a simple pull and snap, making every use smooth and satisfying. Crafted with precision, the pen offers a premium feel, enhanced by the high-grade magnets that ensure the cap always aligns perfectly with a distinct and reassuring snap. Foldable tech has entered a new era, and Huawei is leading the charge with the revolutionary Pura X. While others refine the old, Huawei reimagines the future. This isn't just a clamshell evolution, it's a transformation. Even after being cut off from US tech since 2019, Huawei continues to overcome barriers, designing devices without access to Android or Google services. The Pura X thrives on Harmony OS 5, Huawei's own system, now sharper and smarter with Harmony Intelligence and advanced AI features. Take your workflow, entertainment, and creativity to the next level with the Lucos Ultra-Wide 4K monitor, a full cinematic workspace that delivers unmatched versatility. With a panoramic 49-inch diagonal spread and a razor-sharp 4K resolution, Lucos is engineered for those who demand more screen, more clarity, and more control. This isn't just a monitor, it's your theater, battle station, and productivity hub. Lucos offers a true 32:9 ultra-wide experience, allowing seamless split-screen multitasking that transforms a single monitor into multiple workstations. The Fluid Stance Balance Board is designed for individuals who seek improved posture and an active lifestyle at their desks. Engineered with a 360-degree rocker, this balance board transforms your workspace into a dynamic environment that encourages movement, helping to reduce fatigue and stress. With its anti-slip surface, users can confidently engage in subtle movements while standing, offering a more ergonomic alternative to traditional desk setups. The Onewheel XR Classic blends modern innovation with nostalgic design, creating a unique ride that offers the best of both worlds. With enhanced power electronics and a redesigned platform, this board is a powerhouse for riders seeking both performance and comfort. Offering up to 24 miles of range, the XR Classic pushes boundaries, whether navigating streets or conquering trails. The revamped drivetrain, featuring a 75-volt system, delivers impressive acceleration and a smoother ride. The Move Engine AirCore OWH redefines what wireless headphones can sound and feel like. Forgoing the trend of closed-back over-design, these headphones adopt a bold, open-back architecture enhanced by their unique AirCore hollow acoustic structure. This isn't just a design choice. It's a philosophy that embraces space, detail, and realism. With a carefully tuned neutral sound signature, the AirCore OWH resists exaggerated highs or swollen lows, aiming instead for purity and precision that mirrors a high-end speaker setup. Set your audio free with the power to transform everyday surfaces into rich, resonant speakers. Godal redefines what portable sound means, packing a full-range vibration speaker into one of the smallest footprints available. Rather than relying on traditional cones or drivers, Godal uses advanced vibration sound transfer technology, channeling sound waves through wood, glass, metal, or plastic to fill your space with immersive 360-degree audio. Born from centuries of refinement in elite oral care, this tool reshapes modern hygiene with ancient precision. Forged from Yugi, a revered copper alloy used by traditional artisans, this tongue scraper ensures a clean, refreshed mouth every time. At 5.9 inches long and precision curved for optimal reach, it gently sweeps away buildup, revitalizing your breath and restoring balance to your oral ecosystem. This isn't mass-produced. It's handcrafted, designed with purpose and respect for time-honored wellness rituals. The JetBot Combo AI stands at the forefront of robotic cleaning innovation, blending advanced technology and user-friendly features to deliver exceptional cleaning performance. With its AI object recognition and 3D obstacle avoidance sensor, the JetBot Combo AI effectively identifies obstacles, ensuring it navigates around furniture, walls, and other objects with precision. This allows the robot to deep clean without damaging your surroundings. Sci-Fly drones deliver unmatched performance with 4 times greater flight time and 10 times greater range, 10 times quieter noise profile, and 5 times stronger payload capacity. Sci-Fly drones are NDAA compliant and made for industrial missions like drone as first responder and industrial operations. Sci-Fly's launch platform, the Q-12, offers an unprecedented 2-hour continuous hover and up to 3 hours in forward flight, enabling a 90-mile operational range while carrying up to 10 pounds of payload. The Samsung Bespoke AI Hybrid Refrigerator 4-door refrigerator seamlessly integrates cutting-edge AI technology with modern convenience, offering more than just food storage. Its large screen allows you to share photos, stream videos, and access recipes, making it an entertainment hub right in your kitchen. Built with SmartThings, it brings your family closer, letting you control smart appliances, receive notifications, and even purchase essentials from Amazon directly through the fridge. Engineered for professionals who demand precision, the Neo Ruler redefines measurement with its 12-inch digital edge and plus or minus 0.004-inch accuracy. Whether you're in the studio, on-site, or at the drafting table, this smart scale ruler adapts instantly to your workflow. Equipped with 93 built-in scales, it seamlessly toggles between US imperial and metric units, covering both architectural and engineering needs with confidence and speed. In a world that moves too fast, the Mindy clock invites you to slow down. This handcrafted timepiece isn't just a clock, it's a reminder to be present. Built around a wabi-sabi aesthetic, it honors simplicity, imperfection, and the quiet strength of natural materials. Whether on your desk, shelf, or bedside table, the Mindy clock blends into your space while gently guiding you towards stillness. The soft, non-ticking movement promotes calm, making it easier to build mindful rituals. A leap forward in laser measurement tools, the M-Cube modular system blends precision with adaptability, built for serious users in construction, architecture, and interior design. Unlike fixed-function devices, this system is centered around the 00 M-Cube main unit, delivering fast laser feedback with a 164-foot range and pinpoint plus or minus 1/16-inch accuracy. Effortlessly redefining what compact aerial photography can achieve, the DJI Flip drone delivers performance and precision in a featherweight body. Weighing in at under 249 grams, it skips FAA registration while packing serious hardware. A built-in 3-axis gimbal ensures your 4K UHD footage stays rock steady, even in breezy conditions or sharp maneuvers. When winter unleashes its worst, the Ego Power Plus SNT2112 stands ready to carve a clear path. Armed with peak power technology, this snowblower harnesses the combined force of two 56-volt ARC lithium batteries, delivering relentless power without the noise, fumes, or pull-start hassle of gas. At its core lies a high-efficiency brushless motor that drives performance while extending lifespan and conserving energy. In a compact body weighing just under 8 ounces, Seal Light stands as a masterclass in portable 3D scanning, bringing lab-grade performance into your hands. This scanner uses a specialized precision blue imaging system that emits light between 400 and 500 nanometers to achieve stunning 0.02 millimeter accuracy. That's 5 times more detail per unit, ideal for reverse engineering, small-scale prototyping, or digital preservation. The The Lenovo Legion Go 8.8-inch 144Hz WQXGA handheld touchscreen gaming PC is a powerful device built to elevate gaming performance to new heights. Featuring the AMD Ryzen Z 1 Extreme processor, this portable powerhouse delivers top-tier performance, effortlessly handling demanding games and multitasking with ease. Equipped with 16 GB of RAM and a 512 GB SSD, it ensures fast load times and smooth gameplay while providing ample storage for your favorite games and applications. The Logitech Casa pop-up desk brings a fresh, flexible approach to home workspace design. Perfect for those who need a portable, ergonomic solution, this foldable desk adapts to your lifestyle. With its easy setup, you can work comfortably anywhere in your home, whether on a high countertop, the dining table, or a cozy corner bathed in sunlight. Once the workday is over, simply fold it away and reclaim your space. Engineered to improve your posture, the Casa pop-up desk includes a unique, book-like case that unfolds into an ergonomic laptop stand. Carrying just what you need has never been this effortless. The Hyodo MagSafe swappable wallet redefines everyday convenience with its mindfully slim, precision-crafted form. Designed with sustainability at its core, this wallet ensures your essentials are always secure without unnecessary bulk. Thanks to its MagSafe compatibility, the Hyodo wallet connects seamlessly to your iPhone, offering a flawless snap every time. No matter where you go, lighting and power now come in one ultra-slim companion. The MA5R magnetic fill light is built for creators, travelers, and everyday users who demand utility without compromise. Measuring only 0.5 inches thick, this pocket-sized marvel securely attaches to your phone and instantly transforms your mobile setup. With 220-plus minutes of uninterrupted brightness, you're never left in the dark, literally or creatively. Step into the scene, not behind it. The Bleak Up Ranger transforms the way first-person action is captured. Offering more than just a camera, it's a cinematic partner strapped to your adventure. With 5-hour continuous recording, this compact device ensures your footage doesn't quit before you do. Whether you're trail running, scaling rock faces, or capturing your latest urban exploration, the Bleak Up Ranger keeps every frame rock steady thanks to its advanced anti-shake system. Leave the hassle of overpacking behind and enter a new era of organized travel. The Yo-Yo-Vac compression system transforms your packing routine with precision and reliability, making it ideal for frequent flyers and road warriors alike. Designed with a wide top-open layout, it provides quick access and seamless packing, whether you're prepping for a week-long business trip or a weekend retreat. Its high-performance vacuum technology compresses clothes by up to 90%, maximizing every inch of your suitcase without adding bulk. The self-balance chair brings an innovative approach to improving posture and comfort for those who spend long hours seated. Designed to promote proper alignment, it naturally encourages a horseback riding posture that helps maintain balance and reduces strain on the body. Ideal for office workers, students, or anyone who sits for extended periods, the chair offers effortless support and relief. With its unique movement system, the chair mimics the motion of horseback riding, providing gentle back support and stretching the muscles. Tired of bland store-bought plant-based milk filled with thickeners and preservatives? Step into the modern kitchen with a smarter solution that gives you full control over ingredients, texture, and freshness without the additives. The Smart Home plant-based milk maker transforms raw ingredients into silky, nutrient-rich milk with precision and ease, right from your countertop. This sleek countertop appliance uses high-speed blending and controlled heating to extract milk from your favorite ingredients like almonds, oats, soybeans, and cashews. The Zen X Carbon Foldable Seat is designed to offer exceptional comfort and support while ensuring easy portability and long-lasting durability. Featuring a larger seating area with soft memory foam padding, this seat provides a high level of comfort that improves your posture, making it perfect for outdoor adventures or long hours spent sitting. The addition of a pocket allows for convenient storage of small items, keeping your essentials close at hand. Compact yet powerful, this 3-in-1 tool is engineered for precision and efficiency on any job site or home project. Whether you're aligning shelves, installing trim, or framing walls, it combines essential tools into one rugged design that fits in your pocket. The Cube integrates a digital angle finder, level, and laser distance meter, simplifying complex measurements with absolute accuracy. With a precision rating of plus or minus 0.2 degrees, this device delivers exact readings for every measurement. The Nikoko 9-in-1 flashlight is the ultimate multi-tool for those who demand versatility and reliability. With a powerful 2,000 lumen tactical flashlight, this compact device illuminates even the darkest environments, ensuring you stay prepared for any situation. The built-in green laser can reach an impressive 2,000 meters, making it perfect for outdoor adventures or signaling in emergency situations. The Lithelli Frozen Pack offers an innovative solution for keeping food fresh on the go, blending convenience, power, and portability. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts and everyday users alike, this 12-volt car refrigerator rapidly cools from 77 degrees Fahrenheit to 32 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 minutes. Its efficient compressor paired with triple-layer insulation ensures that your items stay cold for up to 4 hours without power. From online meetings to high-quality streaming, camera placement determines your professional presence. The amzn.to offers a seamless solution, securely mounting your USB-C webcam anywhere along your monitor without damaging your screen. Built with a precision-engineered magnetic system, this mount balances strength and safety, anchoring to screens up to 0.75 inches thick without leaving marks or pressure dents. Unlike clunky mounts or adhesive solutions, the amzn.to delivers a clean, floating look with total flexibility. The Xeon X 16-inch 2.5K touchscreen portable monitor offers an immersive display experience in a sleek and portable design. With its 16-inch touchscreen and 2.5K resolution, it delivers crystal-clear visuals perfect for work, gaming, or entertainment. The ultra-slim 6mm profile makes it easy to carry and set up, providing flexibility for both professional and casual users. Designed for versatility, it can be used in a variety of environments, from home offices to on-the-go presentations. Fortified with unmatched endurance and engineered for harsh terrain, this powerhouse tablet is built to thrive in places where ordinary devices would fail. The RT7 Titan isn't just another rugged tablet, it's a survivalist command center, equipped with cutting-edge technology wrapped in a tough tactical shell. Whether you're operating in construction zones, wilderness outposts, or emergency response situations, it brings more than just connectivity. This Android 13 tablet features a colossal 32,000 milliamp hour battery, capable of enduring for days without needing a charge. The Nikasa kitchen composter is designed to streamline the composting process with convenience and efficiency.